What's the meaning of Boris Karloff? Boris Karloff. Boris Karloff.
Boris Karloff. Boris Karloff. Boris Karloff was an English actor who became famous for his portrayals of monsters in horror films, particularly his role as Frankenstein's monster in the 1931 film Frankenstein. He was born William Henry Pratt in 1887 and began his acting career on the stage before transitioning to film in the 1910s. Karloff's distinctive voice and imposing stature made him a popular choice for villainous roles, but he also showed his range in other types of films and television shows. In addition to Frankenstein, some of his most memorable roles include The Mummy, The Black Cat, and The Raven. Karloff's legacy in the horror genre endures to this day.